With the cold weather here, and it's only gonna get worse, here are 6 tips to slash your heating bill costs. Now, some of these you might already know, but some of these might be a little bit outside the box thinking. Number 1, add insulation to your house. Insulation helps keep the hot air in and the cold air out. Now, obviously, this also helps in the summertime to keep the cool air in and the hot air out. Adding insulation can not only save you money from your heating bill costs, it can also qualify for a government reimbursement for energy efficient renovations. This can save you money now by slashing your heating bill costs, but it can also be tax deductible for your home improvement. Number 2, shut the doors. I'm talking about closing interior doors. By closing the doors to the rooms that you're in, this will keep the hot air in the room that you're in, and it's not going to circulate with the cold air that's in with the rest of the house. Number 3, install a smart thermostat. Be the boss of when you want your home to be warm and toasty. Set it up to warm up as you come home from work, and set it up to cool down when you leave for work. Number 4, we've mentioned this in previous energy efficient tips, but make sure your furnace is running properly. The last thing you need is when the winter gets really cold, your furnace stops working. When it comes to your furnace, it's better to be proactive than reactive, especially if it's -20 outside. That's the last thing you need, is for your furnace to go. So be proactive, get someone to come in and service it and make sure that it's running smoothly so you can stay warm all winter long. If your furnace is old and inefficient, it might be time for you to look at getting a new high efficiency furnace. This can obviously save you money in the long run with energy savings. Number 5, fireplaces. Who doesn't like the idea of cuddling up in front of the fire in the dead of winter? Well, by opening up the damper in the fireplace, this actually draws a lot of the hot air in your house and up and through the chimney and outside of your house. Even though it might be warm in front of the fireplace, it's actually drawing a lot of the warm air out from inside your house. Sort of defeats the purpose, right? To prevent this, you can put in a small renovation and add some airtight tempered glass in front of the fireplace to keep it in. Number 6, opening and closing the blinds. Now, you can use some solar energy here by opening up the blinds during the day so the sunlight can heat up the inside of your home, and at night, close the blinds to keep the warm air in. So those are 6 tips to help slash some of your heating bill costs. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. If you need any service technicians or anything like that, hit us up. We can give you some good recommendations. And until then, we'll see you next Wednesday.